questions proposed, what gave me the confidence or the ability to pursue my dream, and I think it's the same thing that I see in India. The American and Indian spirit are linked. This idea of the future is brighter, that you can do anything, and this idea that really the possibilities are endless is a very unique American idea. This idea of the individual can do something amazing. And I see this same sort of excitement and this same freshness in India. So, what gives me the motivation are the people that surround me. When we make a product, we get great feedback from it. And that's really what keeps us going. And ultimately, we're designing products for ourselves, bikes that we want to ride. And we're hoping that our intuition is correct. We know in many cases it is, because if the bike puts a smile on our face, both from a visual quality and excitement standpoint, does it do everything we need to do? Can you slide it around? Can it wheelie? Is it fun to ride? And at the end of the day, when you walk away from the bike, do you look back at it? Do you need to get that kind of final look? That's what drives me, and that's really something that I think is important.